We're in the family bathroom. Hi, Trish. Hello, everybody else. Okay, now Trish wanted to show us something. What is it? What is it? That's your amazing
Trish,
mouth.
you dirty motherfucker.
Oh my gosh.
That's okay, guys. Hey guys.
This is our amazing power. Do you guys have amazing powers too?
I want to have amazing power.
Do you?
Yeah.
You have amazing powers too?
Yes.
That was a great fart.
Wasn't it wonderful?
Look at her face while she's doing it too.
How are you?
No! I'm ashamed of myself.
I have way too many embarrassing things on YouTube. Not related
So
to that.
do I. From like
Bye-bye.
12.
Say bye.
Bye.
There we end on Trish.